driving home alone in the pouring rain, wondering is this still for me? Because it used to be so easy, just singing songs and having fun. Now the whole scene has turned crazy, and I really don't know what they want. They want to hear some R.E.M. or Madness. Sing the Gambler, will you please? Would you dedicate a birthday song to a dad who's 63? There's a brown-eyed girl on the dance floor, and she's looking for romance. But if you give me just a second, then I'll play it for your next dance. Well, they just can't see this as our living, like a 9 to 5, only 10 to 1. I bet there's some who think we're faking. Lord, I hope this night will soon be done. And now the money's short, yet another bad crowd. Even so, our bills, they must get paid. You know, the only thing that keeps us going is we love the buzz up on this stage. So let us give you some Elvis songs or Robbie. The boys are back in town. An old-time waltz from Marianne, she loves to go around. Sweet Caroline's turned 21, and she'd love to take a chance. If you give me just a second, then I'll play it for your next dance. For your next dance. Your next dance. Your next dance.